Top 5 Best Video Doorbell. Here is the item number 5. 1080p Video Doorbell. Night Vision, Auto ICR, 6 PCs 850 mil strong power infrared lamp, 10 meters. Wireless network security, WPS security encryption. Video mode, mobile detection video, doorbell button trigger video, manual video recording. Wireless doorbell button. Here is the item number 4. Wsdcam Smart Doorbell Camera Wi-Fi Wireless. 3 18,650 specification batteries. Night Vision, Auto ICR, 6 PCs 850 mil strong power infrared lamp, 10 meters. High quality two-way talk with noise cancellation. Alarm push, fast push in 3-5 seconds. 2.4G Wi-Fi connection. Here is the item number 3. Onvian Wi-Fi Doorbell Camera Waterproof. Two-way audio, real-time watch the video. Adjustable motion detection, night vision. IP65 waterproof and weatherproof. Up to 30 seconds voice message function. Storage, free 7-day cloud storage and SD card storage, not including multi-user functionality. Built-in 6 high-definition night vision lights, can see very clearly at night. Here is the item number 2. Anytek B30 Wi-Fi Doorbell. Video mode, mobile detection video, doorbell button trigger video, manual video recording. Storage, max support 32 GB TF card. Working environment, working temperature, 1050 degree, working humidity : less than 95%. Here is the item number 1. Video Intercom for Home IP Video Doorbell. Supports iOS and Android smartphone with Tuya Smart App. Digital system, 4 wires cable connection. Two-way communication between indoor and outdoor unit. Support two-way communication between monitors. 1.3 MP camera, wide view angle. When somebody call it outdoor, your monitor and smartphone will ring at the same time. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and share this video. Subscribe this channel.